Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word cistern. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The cistern was filled with rainwater collected from the roof of the house. A cistern is a large container for storing water, especially rainwater, typically located above or below ground for household or agricultural use. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.